My Phantom wallet shows $2.4 million. That's not from trading meme coins, that's from launching them. And in this video, I am breaking down the exact method step by step so you can do the same. Stay locked in. Every time I jumped into a new meme coin, I'd get completely dumped on. Every single time, bro. Chart would spike and then crash, and my soul was all fucking gone. It felt like I was always one step behind. That all changed the moment I started launching my own though. When you are the creator, you are in control. You set the supply, you decide the entry, and you are the first to profit whenever you want. There's no guessing, no chasing, and no hoping for, oh, is he going to rug me? No, none of that. And here's the truth. By launching, you have basically nothing to lose. But if you keep trading other people's coins, you will lose over and over again. Trust me, bro. And right now, Bitcoin's at the all-time high and Solana is pumping. It's the perfect moment to flip the script and start launching coins to print a shit ton of cash. So make sure to keep watching. And obviously, this video was made for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me. Pump.Fun used to be the go-to to launch coins, but now it's flooded. Thousands of coins launching every hour, all fighting for the same buyers. Most never even make it to the market because they just die out in the queue. And even if yours takes off, you don't even own anything. No control over the liquidity, no ability to adjust or pull out profits. It's not really your launch, it's theirs. That's why I use create token..Io now. It launches directly onto Radium. No delays, no limbo, your coin gets instantly graduated. It's live, tradable, and showing up on charts right away. You control everything from supply to liquidity, and because it is on Radium, real buyers will ape in instantly. If you want your launch to actually move, this is the play, no joke. Now once you are on create tokens.io, there are two solid ways to get your meme coin live up and running. The first method, create from scratch. So go on Twitter and then pick a trending idea. Maybe it's a politician, a viral tweet, or some random meme blowing up today. Then name your token, choose a symbol, and upload a quick PFP for your meme coin. Hit next, just like that, your token is ready to be minted. But my favorite method though, it's the second method, the copy trending coins tab. These are pulled straight from Pump.Fun, coins that already have momentum, traffic, and active buyers. All you do is you click the copy and it instantly launches onto Radium with none of the delays. Since you are cloning a coin that already has attention, you'll get instant buyers and way more profit potential. Both options work, but the second one, that's where I've seen the biggest flips happen, especially when you catch the trend early, bro. I've made thousands of dollars a day off just copying coins. Anyways, let's stop wasting time and let's launch a coin together. We've got the setup, we've got the strategy, now it's time to put it all into action. So first of all, connect your wallet with Phantom, that's simple, then refresh list to have all the fresh coins. Then we're gonna look for a coin to copy. You know what? We're gonna play it safe. We're gonna copy the King of the Hill on Pump.Fun, so the Pushita coin. It has a 42.5k market cap and a last buy 5 seconds ago and a Tele and a Twitter. So create coin, then you will get a warning from Phantom. It's completely normal, okay? Just ignore it and continue. Proceed anyway. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. Then wait a few seconds. The coin should be copied shortly. Boom. And if we go on SoScan for proof for you guys can see that it's officially on chain and minted. So the site is actually legit. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy. We're basically adding liquidity so people can buy and sell your coin directly through Radium. It's what makes the token tradable, and it only takes a few clicks and a few seconds. So here's like your coin. Token B is just your, your Solana balance. Amount token A, drop 90%. That's gonna put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool, so just click here. Now for amount token B, this is your first buy into the coin. You are not losing money here. You're literally just funding the pool with your own soul so others can trade it. The minimum is 0.3 soul, and once you remove the liquidity later, you will get it back. So make sure you've got enough for the first buy, and remember, this step is what kickstarts your chart. So I'm gonna put 0.4 soul just to be safe, and once again, you are not losing that money. Click on create pool, your phantom wallet should pop up. Boom, then click on confirm. Once that's done, click on refresh right under here. And then if you scroll down, boom, the Poshita coin is now live and created on the Radium DEX. Now, for our P&L, we are at $0 at the moment. But if you click on refresh once again, boom, now our profits are at $153.3. And now, if you want to see the chart, click on view on photon. Boom, the coin is live, the chart popped up. Let me go on full screen for you guys. And now, as you guys can see, the chart is fucking popping. We are getting buyers left and right now. $54 buy, let's fucking go. We are at a $1,500 market cap and $1,100 in liquidity. This chart looks good. Now, all we have to do is sit back and watch all the buyers roll in. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse for you guys, so make sure to sit back and enjoy. Be right back. Okay, we just hit a $3,000 market cap and $1,500 in liquidity. Just keep it pushing. Okay, as you guys can see, we came back to this level right here, and now I think it's a good time to cash out profits. So to do that, come back to create tokens.io. Then first of all, we're gonna refresh to check our profits. Okay, and we're up $1,700 with a 3.2k market cap, which is not bad. Now click on the minus button, and here you can choose the percentage that you want to cash out. I'm gonna do 100% because I don't give a fuck about this coin. Remove liquidity, wait for the phantom wallet. And as you guys can see, we're gonna receive around 8 to 9 SOL. It does fluctuate, and then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin and print a shit ton of money. If I open my phantom wallet for proof, boom! $1,600 straight inside my phantom wallet. Now before you click off and go launch a coin, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And yeah bro, enjoy, bye.